Hi, I'm Rhonda. I promise you the next 2.5 minutes could change your life if you will simply do one thing. Listen. Over the next 2.5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to create wealth for as little as $10 a month. And it's legal and not one of those pyramid thingies. It is a legitimate 21st century business model and financial engine that takes advantage of the large existing social network you already have. It's as simple as that. So let me show you. I am going to show you starting now. Pyramid concepts are historic. Anything with an organizational structure is essentially a pyramid. Your job, the government, your home. However, I am going to show you today how to use your social network to create one of the most fascinating economic vehicles ever designed. And all you will ever have to do is 2 things, very simple things ever. Simply share with 3 friends you know would want to also become wealthy utilizing their social networks. Friends and family they already have at their disposal. And join for just $10 a month and see how fast your social referral network grows as well as your income. Follow this example. And when this process is duplicated over and over, this is what happens for you. Simply by sharing with 3 people or even more and show them how to repeat what you have done. This is how your organization and finances will grow. Imagine if you simply share it with 3 people, ideally within an hour, and everyone continued to do the same within an hour. In 9 hours, your potential earnings would reach $29,523 a month in just 9 hours. Okay, so let's say you share it with 3 people in the course of a day, and everyone did the same. In 9 days, your potential earnings would reach $29,523 a month. Now with little effort, most know 3 people who will join the network in a month. So if everyone took a month to share with 3 people, in 9 months, your potential earnings would reach $29,523 a month. And at the 9th level, you have maximized your monthly earnings. However, simply start a new social referral network and see how fast you can potentially create another $29,523 a month. It's as simple as that. This social financial engine is one of a kind. And if and only if you are good at sales, or maybe want to wait to market some very unique products to make a little extra, here are some of the really unique products available. However, sales are optional. Now is not the time to be skeptical. It is as simple as described, and Fortress is spreading across the social network. Also, chances are before you pay a second monthly payment, your income will be far more than $10. If that's you, go here. What 3 people do you want to come along with you? It is important that you set the pace for your growth. 1 hour, 1 day, 7 months. Duplication is the key. Whoever shared this with you thinks a lot of you because you obviously are in their top 3. Once you open this site, feel free to join by going to the sign in link and select representative. When you join, you will also have a web page just like the one above to refer people to. Also, your webpage allows you to track your earnings and how fast your social referral network is growing, all for just $10 a month. You can even order your personalized video to send to all of your contacts for just $40. Never ever will such a modest investment in you mean so much.